Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Hope everyone will like it and learn from it. Today in my screen, you can see the Photoshop interface. Basically today we're gonna learn about Photoshop interface. Let's go and start. As you can see, I'm using shortcut F1 for library, F2 for properties, F3 for adjustment layer, F4 for layer style. So what is this? Here you can see some default and modified workspace and how does it works. Let's move ahead and check the Photoshop default workspace in 3D. You can see the changing interface. You can see graphics and web. Here the interface is changing in motion. You can see the timeline over here. Likewise painting, yeah, photography. Now moving back over to our modified workspace, you can see how the panel menus are arranged over here. You can drag from the application menu of window where you can see the shortcuts also. If you click on this pattern, it will attach to our panel menu, same as nodes. Yeah, you can see here it has been attached to our panel menu. You can learn some basic Photoshop tutorial from here. You can close it by hitting the close or close tab group bottom. Same for pattern also. Moving ahead to our Photoshop keyboard shortcuts, where I have assigned the shortcut for our panel menus. You can find it in application menu, window, and here you can see some modified shortcuts as I have used adjustment F3, same as for libraries F1. You can also assign your own shortcut keys. And properties also with F2 so that I can work faster. Likewise, you can change the shortcuts for tools also. Yeah, you can see your tools over here. We can modify anything in this Photoshop 2020. You can assign your own shortcut for these tools. Here I have assigned F1 for libraries. So whenever I need some icons, tags, I can quickly drag it in my project and apply in my design, so I can save my time and can work more faster. So in this case you can replace this circle with pre-designed tag. Just drag it in our design, transform it, and just place it where it is suitable. Simply you can change the color also, even saturation, clipping to it in that layer only, change some adjustment, and it is okay. So this properties menu is also assigned with F2 key, so whenever I need these kind of properties I can just hit the F2 key. As you can see, the text layer has its own properties with paragraph, character, Like in smart object you can see different properties with edit content. You can edit content in new window tab, edit and save. You can apply in adjustment layer, also in shapes with different properties, fill and stroke. You can change from here. And one more, the rasterized layer. Yeah, original flip, back flip. As we select the document, the align key will highlight and we can align it. Overall, these shortcuts are assigned just to make your work much faster and easier. You can select subject only, so you can work faster also, more faster. I have assigned F3 for adjustment layer. I have added a label hitting F2 shortcut and modify some labels. Again hitting F3, adding event saturation, some modify. Likewise you can add some more adjustment as hitting F3, so it will be so faster for working. And you can add cops also. Let's see some changes. So if you don't need this adjustment, you can turn off the eyeball over here. Finally, I have assigned F4 shortcut for layer style. So just selecting the type layer, you can hit F4 shortcut and you can see the layer style and do some modify with strokes, color, anything you like for your designing. You can add some more layer style. See, as you select the layer dress and the seeding the shortcut F4, you can see the layer style option over here and modify some gradient, strokes. Okay, you can add bevel also. As every designer know how the layer style will work and how it's important for designing. You can also apply this layer style in shape layer, smart object layer, rasterize. Yeah, you can add in anything. As you see, we have added a gradient color in our background and modify some blending mode, and you can see the result. You can do it in your own way as what color you prefer for. Yes, in this case we can use gray gradient and change it to color burn. Yeah, nicely you can see the changing color. Okay, hope you like the video. Thanks to everyone. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share.